In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom virtual background not showing. If your virtual backgrounds aren't appearing, don't worry. This walkthrough will get you up and running. Start by signing into Zoom on your desktop browser. Using the web portal ensures your account level settings are correct before you try anything inside the app. Once you're signed in, head to Settings. Look for the section related to Background and Effects, or Virtual Background. This is where the feature can be enabled at the account level. Make sure Virtual Backgrounds is turned on. If you don't see the toggle, it may be controlled by an organization admin, and that's why it's missing. Next, confirm the setting inside the Zoom app itself. Open the app on your computer and go to Settings, then Background and Effects. This panel is where you'll actually choose and preview your background once the feature is enabled. If the option is missing or grayed out, keep moving through the steps. There are a couple of common causes. Update the Zoom app to the latest version. Older versions sometimes hide or limit the virtual background feature, especially on certain devices. In the desktop app, click your profile icon and check for updates. Let the update complete, then reopen the app. Keeping Zoom current also improves performance and compatibility, which is important for video effects. Now, check that your device meets Zoom's system requirements for virtual backgrounds. Zoom requires specific processor capabilities for backgrounds without a green screen, and older hardware might not support them. If your computer doesn't meet the minimum specs, the option may not show at all. Also, make sure your operating system and graphics drivers are reasonably up to date. Good lighting and a clear, high-contrast background help Zoom detect your outline more reliably, but the feature still depends on your device meeting those requirements. With the settings enabled and your app updated, join a meeting to test. Once you're in, click the small arrow next to the Stop Video button and choose Background. You should see built-in options to select, along with any custom images you've added. Pick one and watch the preview. If it looks choppy, try sitting a little farther from the camera and ensure your face is well lit. If the background still doesn't show up, fully restart Zoom and try again. Close the app completely, relaunch it, and rejoin a meeting to recheck the background menu. A quick restart can refresh the app and apply the changes you made. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, and your virtual backgrounds should appear and work smoothly.